Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia 8000 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and here we have to find the settings. Now let's enter them. Let's go to the right to the personalization and go down to find input methods. Let's enter here and now we can enter input languages. And as you can see here, we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages in which we can type. And as you can see, if they are marked, then it means that they has been applied to the keyboard. So all you have to do in order to add new language is to simply find it and select it. And since it is marked, it means that it will be applied to the keyboard. So actually this is it. This is how to change the keyboard language in your Nokia 8000. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.